Have you ever thought that making and having stunning karat gold and gemstone jewelry was out of reach? Well, what if we told you that that's not true? We've all felt that way. But the truth is that jewelry with that incredible sparkle and special gold luster and durability is actually attainable.
I'm Elaine, and this is Patty, and we're jewelry designers here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. And today we're going to show you how anyone can have high-end DIY jewelry that's also a great price that you can actually sell, wear, or give as a gift.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
We want to show you how the products that you can find here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads can give you that classy high-end look that is affordable.
So we thought it would be fun if Patty and I took the same request to make a swanky 3-piece jewelry set and make it our own, just like you can. So Patty, being a metal specialist, can you tell us a little bit more about gold filled and why it's such a great option?
Absolutely. So that's important to know. We hear different things out there in the marketplace. When we're buying jewelry or making jewelry, we hear gold finish and gold plated and gold fill. Gold fill is what we're using here today, and it's a great option. Gold plate or gold finish have a very minute amount of gold that can really wear or chip. But gold fill is different. Gold fill uses a core of something inexpensive, say copper. And then a really nice thick layer of gold is heat and pressure bonded to the outside of that. And the end result is stunning. It's durable and it is absolutely indistinguishable from karat gold because it is karat gold. And it's something we love to work with here. I know Elaine does too.
Agreed.
Yeah, and it's a favorite of mine, and it's so fun to bring that to you today.
So Patty, talking about gold plated and gold filled, I really am excited because I want to start replacing all of my gold plated jewelry for something more, that's going to be durable and more lasting.
Absolutely. With a small investment in gold fill, you can actually replace your old jewelry with jewelry that is more valuable and will really have longevity. You can have a wonderful collection of jewelry. So we were given the task to each make this 3-piece set of jewelry using bulk chain to get a really high-end look set. And we didn't know what the other was going to make. We didn't share that ahead of time. So Elaine, can you tell us what you made?
Yeah, I'm really excited. So I started off with this short and long oval chain, and I just love the way it looks. It just has this really delicate look, but also gives it a little shimmer. I also chose these amethyst cubic zirconia, and I was looking at the clear ones, but amethyst is my birthstone, so I decided to go with that. I also was looking at sterling silver chain, but I have sterling silver chain with amethyst before, so I was really excited to see how the gold plays with it. And it was really simple to do. It's DIY, so you guys can do this yourself. It was simple steps. The bulk chain came in 5 feet, so I had enough to do all 3 pieces and left over to do something else later. Added a lobster claw to the chain, added some ear wires for the earrings, and a clasp for the bracelet. And I got all 3 pieces out of one thing of bulk chain. I was just really happy how it turned out.
Yeah, it's fantastic. And I love how you use the same chain for all 3 pieces. It's really a cost saver.
Yeah. So, Patty, I'm really excited to see what you've done. Are you ready to show us what you did?
I am. I'm excited too. So this was such a fun project. I love doing anything with Elaine. And I chose garnet, natural garnet for my stone. It's my birthstone as well.
Yay.
We do a lot of things similarly. And I looked at garnet CZs, which are stunning. I really thought about that. I looked at onyx and amethyst, a few different things, but that natural garnet just called back to me. So I went with that. And it was surprisingly affordable. And then I went with gold fill findings for everything. I considered rose gold chain, rose gold findings. I love that pink kind of beautiful, feminine look of rose gold, but I felt like the yellow gold would go with more. So I ended up with that. And this is a piece that I wouldn't want to wear a lot. To any kind of fancy event or just on a special day. and chose this triple rope chain, which I absolutely love. It's really delicate, but it has a little bit of weight to it. It's very flowy and drapey. Fantastic chain to choose. Everything was really easy to make. Just some jump rings to hold on the clasp for the triple rope chain. And I did use a beading awl to open up that last link just a little bit rounded out so I could get the jump rings in there. You would think that chain like this can't have a jump ring, but it actually can. And we slid on the bail, closed up the clasp, and then I made that little tiny triangle bail to attach to that main bail. And all that is a piece of wire. And I used some chain nose pliers and made a little triangle and pinched that in the stone. Perfect. Same thing with the earrings. Added some jump rings to hold the chain to the wonderful earring finding there with the CZs. And for the bracelet, we did a little stringing, used some AccuFlex with those gorgeous little 2.5 millimeter garnet cubes, and finished that up with some basic crimping technique. This is something that anybody could do. It has been so fun to share with you today how easy it is to make and how attainable it is for you to have impressive and lasting heirloom quality jewelry that is affordable. If you make some, be sure to tag us. We would love to see what you create.
And be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and sign up for our email newsletter. Links to that and also materials for the jewelry made today are in the description box below. Thanks for joining us today.
We'll see you next time.